Hey guys, I'm going to show you right now the work we got lined up for the moment. We got this Ferrari. We're going to replace the timing belt. So we already removed both seats, all the covering, the leather covering, the panels below, and then there's a cover. So the check engine light was coming on. It says P0015 and P0025, so that pertains to the timing being off. So we check at the belts and they look kind of loose. So we're gonna go ahead and change the belts and the tensioner bearing and set the timing and everything, and then test drive again, see what happens. But that's gonna be the problem. If you want me to make a video on what I'm doing the belt, just leave a link, leave a description below. Leave a comment, that's what I should say. Leave a comment. And otherwise I don't know what to do. I'm not really into this video shit, but I know it will help some people when they have to do it. Alright,